In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and use certain functions within the HubSpot platform, specifically focusing on importing and syncing your data. HubSpot is a powerful tool for managing your CRM needs, and understanding how to effectively import and sync your data is crucial for optimizing its capabilities. First things first, to get started, let's visit the user guide on HubSpot by heading to the designated page on the HubSpot platform. Here you can find a trove of information that will help you get acquainted with the various functionalities HubSpot offers. Take a moment to explore the resources available, as they can be quite helpful. Once you've got the guide open and ready, you'll want to find the CRM or Customer Relationship Management section. Clicking on the CRM tab takes you into the heart of your HubSpot experience, where you manage customer interactions and data throughout the lifecycle of a customer relationship. This includes everything from marketing, sales, and customer service interactions. Now let's dive into managing your contacts. Navigate to the Contacts section, which is where you'll handle all the data concerning your clients. This area is crucial because it essentially forms the backbone of your CRM strategy. Your contacts are where all the action happens, and understanding how to manage them efficiently is key. Next, you'll want to focus on importing data. To do this, simply click on the Import button. Importing allows you to bring in data from different sources into your HubSpot database, making it accessible and ready to use in your marketing and sales strategies. Keep in mind that this is essential for maintaining a robust, up-to-date system. After you've accessed the Import section, you'll have an option to import a file. This option is particularly useful if you have your data saved locally, perhaps in a CSV format. Ensure that your file is correctly formatted to avoid any hitches during the import process. HubSpot typically guides you through this with easy-to-follow prompts, ensuring your data integrates seamlessly. If your data is already online or resides in other apps that you use regularly, consider clicking on the Sync from Apps option. This feature is aimed at making sure that the applications you already rely on for critical data can communicate directly with HubSpot. By syncing from apps, you're able to streamline your workflow, reduce redundancies, and ensure accuracy across platforms. Finally, for a more comprehensive migration of data, you'll want to click on Transfer Your Data. This function provides a more extensive capability to move significant amounts of data from multiple sources, enabling you to centralize your data management within HubSpot. And there you have it, a clear, concise way to efficiently use HubSpot for importing and syncing your data. Be sure to explore further and make the most of these tools to enhance your customer relationship strategy. Happy HubSpotting!